Welcome back to Design Bundle's YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Crystal. Today, we are going to be making this super cute t-shirt. I want to show of hands down below in the comments, push pause, give me a heart, give me a thumbs up if this is you. I am sorry for what I said when I was weeding my vinyl. Is this SVG not adorable and is it not made for us, right? Now, hold on just a second. You guys are not going to leave. You're going to get not only this SVG, you are going to get a whole bundle of SVGs for 1+ credit. I have it linked down below for you guys. So if you are Plus members, you guys go snag this ASAP. There is a ton of cute crafty ones. There's even ones that look like they have a Cricut. Can you guys believe that you guys are getting this with all of the others for 1+ credit? I know, I totally cannot believe it. So let's go ahead and make this one right here. It's only 2 colors. You definitely could have welded this and made it one solid color if you wanted to. You can also switch up the colors. So instead of doing the blue, you guys could do pink, whatever color is your favorite color. Definitely check it out. All right, so let's go ahead and make this. So I've got a t-shirt here. I'm using Bella Canvas. This is a gray one here. I'm using black Caesar Easy Weed along with this like light baby blue Caesar Easy Weed. I've got my Cricut pad, and today we are going to be using our 6x7 Cricut Easypress. So I do believe that we're going to be able to get this. I think it may take us, a couple of presses throughout, but I'm going to show you guys how you're going to do that. I want to show you guys a really quick tip here. If you guys are layering your designs, you can definitely do it right here on a parchment paper. It will not stick. So you can layer one, lay the other on top of, and then you guys can, it's going to peel off. It's not going to stick. Another thing is, say for example, you guys have a store and you have something that's a super popular design. You can pre-cut these in different sizes and you can store them flat like this. So they're going to kind of hold on a little bit like this, but at the end of the day, they don't stick. And then you can make another one, lay it on top. You can store these flat in a drawer, put them in a file folder and things like that. So that's a little tip. If you guys know that you want to make this on a t-shirt later, you've ordered your t-shirt, you can already have these cut and set aside. So that's a little tip from me. And like I said, it does not stick. So it's really cool. So parchment paper. All right, so let's go ahead and prep up our t-shirt really quick. So I've got my Cricut Easypress pad here, and I'm just going to get it right underneath my t-shirt here. So I'm just going to line it up like so. All right, and then we are going to pull out that moisture. So you want to do this for around 5 seconds. Now, because we are using the Cricut Easypress 6x7, we're going to have to move it around. You want to make sure you're covering the grounds of wherever your design is going to go. So just do it roughly for around 5 seconds. You can just kind of, like how you were ironing with a regular iron. All right, so we are good to go. Basically pulling out the moisture and smoothing everything out. I'm going to go ahead and line this up on my t-shirt right away. Make sure my press stays awake. I'm going to line it up on my t-shirt where I'm wanting it to go. And I do think I want it to go up just a little bit more. This is actually going to be up a little bit, but I don't want all my wording too far down here. So always kind of ignore something like this that's so far up here. That's okay. We want to pay attention more to the top of this design here and have that around 3 fingers down, if that makes sense. All right, so I folded it in half. I've got it lined up with my neck tag. So what I want to do is I want to remove that top layer because I'm doing the blue first because this is going to lay right on top. So this is the bottom layer. All right, so we are ready to go. We're going to go ahead and press this. So once again, I'm going to I think I can get this part in one press. And I'm going to go ahead and just get a tack down. So I just need to go for just a couple of seconds because we are going back over this again with our final design. I just need around 2 to 3 seconds tack down, especially with the Caesar Easy Weed. This is a hot peel, so we could go ahead and get a corner here and slowly peel away. All right, so here is our first piece. Now we're going to go ahead and come in with our next layer here, and it should lay right on top of this design right here. So you guys can see that there. How cute are these weeding pieces? I love this design. This is going to be one of my favorite SVGs I've seen in a while. It is super cute, especially for us crafters. I really hope you guys are going to make this. Let me know down below if this is a shirt that you guys are going to be making. This would also be cute on a coffee mug. You could sublimate this on your coffee mug. Tons of ideas. All right, so let's go ahead and dive in. We are going to go in a couple pieces. So I'm going to get this piece down, kind of move it to the side. I probably even could rotate this and get this much of it first. So a couple different ways you can do it. Scoot it over, get that side, and then come down here and get it in 2 different motions. So I've got 4 different pieces, 4 different times. Now keep in mind this is our final press, so I need 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds. So this is just to kind of show you guys, if you guys just want to purchase the 6x7, and you guys want to save a little bit of money, you definitely could do this. Yes, it's going to take you a few more steps, but if you're not making t-shirts all of the time, or you don't mind the extra steps you're going to take, go for the 6x7. It's very versatile. You can use it to make onesies, you know, the smaller t-shirts like the youth t-shirts, tote bags, little zipper pouches, lots of different ideas to do with the 6x7. All right, we are going to scoot it down. Now, once again, I was showing you guys, I think I'm going to go across, and I think I can actually cover it. So we're actually got it in 3 steps. Now, keep in mind, my entire design is on top of my pad here. If you are going to get the 6x7, I do recommend, this is not the 14x14, I think this is 12x12. I do recommend that you get either the 12x12 or the 14x14. You could get the smaller one to keep on hand for onesies, but I do highly recommend that you get either the 12x12 or the 14x14 to keep on hand for your bigger projects. All right, so we are nearing the end, and we are going to be able to wrap this up. All right, this is a hot peel, so once again, I'm going to peel it just like so. I start from the top instead of the bottom in case you guys are wondering, because I heated this side up first. So I'm going to go ahead and peel that just like so. How adorable is this? Super cute. I love this. So now Cricut does recommend that we flip it over and press again for 15 seconds. Now, if you were using a bigger heat press, you definitely do not need to do this. You can skip this step. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to press it, 1, 2, 3 times to make sure we cover everything. And if you guys are new and you're curious about why would you have to do this with a Cricut Easypress, is because there's not enough pressure. We can't give this the pressure that a heat press can. So what this is doing is this is heating up those glues from the back side just to ensure that this is going to last you for a long time. So we've got 4 more seconds, and then we should be able to just get the bottom right here, just like so. All right, so we've got 15 more seconds, and then we're going to wrap this up. Now, this is on an extra small t-shirt. I've been trying to use smaller t-shirts on camera just because it's easier to work with. But this design would be super cute. So for example, I would wear a large, and I would probably do around 10 inches on my design. This one right here, I did 8 inches wide. All right. And there you guys have it. How super cute is this design? I'm gonna bring it up really quick just so you guys can see how that nestles in between. I love the font that was used here. It's a couple different fonts going on. This baby blue is just adorable. But I truly do believe this shirt was made for a ton of us. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one.